Happy Monday, everyone. I'm Michelle Park here with the latest weather forecast. By the looks of the morning weather conditions, it seems like winter is upon us, especially after this rain here in the capital yesterday, which brought down the morning lows down to 6.1 degrees Celsius, though it is expected to rise up into the high teens later this afternoon. Now, other regions can expect similar daytime highs ranging from the low teens to the low 20s. However, strong winds are expected, so it may feel a bit chillier than that. Now, those of you in Gangwon-do province can expect windy and dry weather conditions throughout today, whereas the rest of the nation can expect some clear skies with a good amount of sunshine. Now to our readings for today. Seoul will peak at 17 this afternoon. Meanwhile, the southern cities such as Gwangju and Busan will reach up to 19 and 22 degrees. Now moving over to other regions, Jeju Island peaks to 18 while Dokdo hits 13, while Mount Gangwon is a bit higher at 17 degrees. Well, that's all for now. I'm Michelle Park and have a wonderful day.